In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox is cluttered but you don't want to delete messages, archiving is the perfect middle ground. It moves email out of your inbox into a dedicated archive folder, keeps everything searchable, and helps you focus on what's new without losing anything important. We'll use the quick archive tools built right into Outlook. Start by selecting the email or emails you want to move. Click once to select a single message. To select several that are next to each other, click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one in the range. To cherry-pick messages that aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while you click each one. With your messages selected, look at the ribbon at the top of Outlook and make sure you're on the Home tab. Click the Archive button. The messages will instantly move to your archive folder. You can confirm it worked by glancing at the left sidebar and opening the archive folder. Your email should be there,